what is going on, guys? Hope you're having a fantastic day. So in today's video, we're just going to be doing a bunch of car things. I'm also headed home right now. So yeah, that's why I got my car all packed in. A few car parts here and here. But yeah, so currently we are headed home, go visit my mom, do some laundry, all that shit. Maybe install a few car parts like my lower grill. I have a few other car parts that are coming in the mail. Like, I actually have a turbo. So yes, I'll be turboing my Mazda 3, which is very rare because not many people do it. But yeah, so I'm gonna be turboing my Mazda. I got a valve cover gasket and a few other parts to come in. So that's gonna be coming in later this week or next week. So I'll hopefully have a video for that. I'll probably do a whole separate video for the valve cover. But yeah, anyways, we're just currently headed home. Might stop for coffee, do whatever else, visit my friends, see what's going on there, and do a little tour around the shop maybe, and who knows. Alright, so anyways, I'll catch you up in a second. See you when I get home. So, making a quick little pit stop at good old fucking Tim Hortons. And we got one long ass fucking line. Awesome. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. Hi, can I get a large iced coffee with extra sweetener, please? No thank you. Okay, thank you very much.
$2.61 please.
$5.
Thank you.
Thanks. No straw this time, that's the first in a while.
Thank you.
Thank you. Awesome. Damn, there's a lot of fucking people there. Yo, like this guy's fucking flying. He's fucking flying. Finally got home, came out to her room, took out some of my stuff that I packed away. This little dude's just chilling under here. Non-stop, not leaving me. Hello! I think you missed me a little bit. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Yeah. Yeah. Scratchy duck. So, haven't really told you guys, but it's not just this little dude anymore. We got this dude! Hello! Hi Thor, how you doing? And I got two crazy dogs. Anyways, I got home, I put all my stuff inside my room now. I'm all settled in, so now I am going to go to Canadian Tire to go pick up some VHT tint for my tail lights, spray them, and catch you up in Canadian Tire. So, I just got off the phone with Ryan, my buddy. We're gonna go to his shop, tint out my tail lights for my car. Which is one of them is in the box because I got chip tail light. But also this is the VHT tint that I picked up from Canadian Tire, like 25 bucks. As you can see, that's practically what it does. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna go to Ryan's place, meet up with him, and get the video going from there. And maybe work on his car a little bit too. So we already got to Ryan's shop. Got my tail lights, my whole back end off already. Where is it? And all the interior pieces out. So now I just need to spray paint the pieces, or sorry, VHT tint them, and then we should be good to go back on the car. So I'll carry it up in a second. Anyways, as you can see, this is my taillight. So I just cut this out because this is the part that's staying the clear color and all this red is going to be going all black. So I'm just going to continue that to the other 3 taillights and then we'll pick it up in a second. So just finished tinting my taillights after 3 coats. This camera is a lot darker than what the actual tint is. So this is it after 3 coats. Looks pretty good, but as you can tell, it has like a hazy look to it. So I'm gonna get my buddy Brady to come down, bring some clear coat, and hopefully it makes it nice and shiny. I guess you needed a new one anyway. One of these were blocked. I'm not sure what side it was. This is fucked. I think you missed a bumper. So I think you're missing a bumper.
No, I'm missing 2 bumpers.
Anyways, it is the next morning. I did 3 coats of clear on these taillights and 3 coats of VHT tint. Overall, they turned out pretty well. I let them sit for like half hour in between each coat of clear. Turned out pretty nicely, to be honest. Hey, so that is it for today's video. If you found today's video helpful in any sort of way for taping off the taillights and whatever else kind of designs that you might have seen in today's video, if you could drop a comment, like, and subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. And see you guys in the next video. Peace out.